This is question number 4 on the November 2014 calculator paper. Okay, in question 4 we have this grid, and part A says, on the grid, reflect shape A in the line y equals x. So we need to reflect this shape A in the line y equals x, and that's been given to us already. If I pull down the sheet a bit, you can see that they've given us the line y equals x. It's this line, that diagonal line across the page. And in this case, this is our mirror line. Now you should have practiced something like this already. If the mirror line is a diagonal, you need to work out how far each corner is from the mirror line. And in this case, we're going to work out these diagonals. So this corner here is half a diagonal away from the mirror line. So it'll be half a diagonal on the other side. It's going to land there. This corner over here is 1.5 diagonals away from the mirror line, so it'll be 1.5 diagonals on the other side. Do the same to the other corners, 1.5, so that's half and 1. That corner is going to be there. And if I just draw my line, and then this corner is 2 diagonals away, 2 diagonals on the other side. I just need to use my ruler now and join these together. Okay, no need to shade it in. It hasn't asked you to label the shape or call it a certain letter. Make sure you've done it correctly, done it properly, and there's my result. Okay, and this is a straightforward question. You should know how to do it. Make sure you are able to reflect along the line y equals x. Looking at part B now. Part B says, describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle B onto triangle C. Okay, so how do we get from triangle B to C? Now you should know about the different types of transformation. There are 4 of them, and you should know what they stand for: translation, rotation, reflection, enlargement. And you need to decide which one of those 4 this is. Well, it's not an enlargement because it hasn't been made larger. It's not a rotation because you could see their orientation is exactly the same. They look exactly the same. It's not been twisted or rotated around. It's not a reflection because it's not been flipped over. It is clearly a translation. So I'm going to write the word translation, and I'll get 1 of the 2 marks available. And you should know that for a translation, you need to put in a translation vector. A translation vector, the top number says how much you moved left or right. The bottom number tells you how much you've moved up or down. If you move left, it's negative. If you move right, it's positive. Up is positive. Down is negative. So pick a corner on shape B. Remember, the translation is from shape B onto C. So pick a corner on shape B and go to the same corner on shape C. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 right. So my translation vector at the top, I'll have 4, and then I need to move 1 space down. Do draw in the bumps and show them, because some people make mistakes drawing lines in. Remember, because I've moved 1 down, it's -1. And as I indicated, do draw the bumps in and count them as you do it. Okay, some people count the lines, count the dots, to make mistakes counting. Draw the lines in, and that will guarantee you success in this. There's 2 straightforward marks. Make sure you can get them. Make sure you get full marks in this question.